Have you ever paused at 11:11 and felt a strange pull in your chest, as if the universe itself had frozen just for you? Have certain numbers followed you around like echoes of a hidden message, whispering through digital clocks, receipts, or even license plates? What if numbers aren't just quantities but codes, divine breadcrumbs guiding you along your spiritual path? Across ancient cultures, numbers were more than tools for calculation. They were sacred symbols holding meaning far beyond the material. Pythagoras, the Greek philosopher and mathematician, taught that numbers were the building blocks of the cosmos, a concept echoed in modern spiritual teachings. Today, this timeless philosophy finds its voice in two powerful systems: numerology and angel numbers. Numerology is the ancient metaphysical study that reveals the vibrational essence of numbers and how they relate to our personality, life path, and destiny. Angel numbers, on the other hand, are number sequences like 111, 222, or 444 that seem to appear with uncanny frequency and timing. But what bridges these two systems is intention. When numbers appear repeatedly, they carry messages. When interpreted through the lens of numerology, those messages become deeply personal and transformational. Each number holds a distinct frequency. 1 symbolizes beginnings and independence. 2 speaks of partnership and balance. 3 celebrates creativity and communication. By understanding these meanings, you unlock a powerful dialogue with the universe. It's no coincidence that you see 555 when contemplating a big change or 777 during a spiritual breakthrough. These aren't mere signs, they are spiritual affirmations coded in the language of numbers. For example, if you frequently see 333, numerology tells us it amplifies the energy of the number 3, signaling that your thoughts, words, and actions are aligning with divine purpose. Similarly, the appearance of 888 can indicate a karmic reward or financial abundance about to manifest, especially if you've been working with intention and integrity. Think of people like Carl Jung, who coined the term synchronicity after repeatedly witnessing meaningful coincidences, often numerical in nature, that defied logic. Or Nikola Tesla, who obsessed over the numbers 3, 6, and 9, claiming they held the secret to the universe. These were not accidents. They were evidence of a mystical pattern encoded into reality itself. To harness the power of numerology and angel numbers, start with presence. Notice which numbers keep showing up in your life. Write them down. Reflect on what you were thinking or feeling in those moments. Then study their core meanings. Let the patterns form. Trust your intuition. Numbers will begin to speak louder, not because they suddenly appeared but because you finally started listening. You're not imagining the signs. You're being guided. The universe doesn't shout, it whispers. And those whispers are often written in numbers. What number keeps appearing in your life, and what do you believe it's trying to tell you?